Hello guys, I am Chris Banana and I'm here with a great game that is called Insurgency Sandstorm. It is a mil-sim FPS and I've got here a loadout that I call the Noob Wrecker. You see, it has the MK, the SCAR basically, with a 4x scope but also little sight on top. Still 20 round magazines. I could put extended mags, but that will make me even beefier and movement will be even slower, so I don't want to. With a compensator. Long range, short range, very good. And when I run out of the 20 bullets, I whip out this bad boy, which has 31 9mm rounds with a compensator on it as well. Let's see what we can do with it, shall we? Okay, so we have... Let's go for alpha. How about that? I am in domination. It's like a team deathmatch, and you need to hold the objectives for as long as oh my god, no way. For as long as possible. Let's not talk about that, shall we? Oh, I got him. I think. Yep, I got him. Okay, why is this server not so populated? You're dead. This has great movement. Okay, let me just do this. This has great, like, movement and... That's a grenade. Great movement and gunplay. I actually recommend this game if you've got like 30 euros, I think it is. Maybe you catch it at a discount or something. I do recommend this game. Oh my god, he was waiting for me. I knew it. But if you do want top of the notch mil-sim, I recommend Squad. I will be doing a video on that in... I think... Nah... I'll be doing a video on that. Not right now, but I'll be doing a video on that. Squad, also Arma 3 if you're really hardcore. I don't like that game very much. It's... Squad is way easier to like pick up. Okay, let's go for Charlie. I talk quite a lot, yes I know. Sorry for the voice. Right now I am actually infected with COVID, but I feel almost exactly the same. That's a grenade. That's what I said. He's gonna die from the mole if he doesn't throw it. Okay, we are going to go to alpha now. So basically, you've got at the bottom of your screen a lot of like a point bar, and the first team that reaches 200 wins, and you get points by like having objectives on your side. You know how it is. I don't have to explain it to you. I saw a guy, he's gonna come through here, I bet it. Yep. Okay, he threw a molly on me. This dude's crazy. Okay, it just changed sides. Hey. We're still gonna play with this loadout. I'm probably gonna do this match and one more because I didn't start this. Good job, Mr. Camper. I didn't start this from the beginning. I had to do a little bit of testing. I saw you. And here's where the long range comes in handy. But he's not gonna come back there. I need to go to him. And I am surrounded by bad guys. Exactly what I said. I knew there was one on my left because I heard him, but I didn't know exactly where, and he didn't show up, so yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Dude, stop. Stop. Please stop.
Change your magazine! I'm burning it. Step back.
Also, in the future I will be doing, as I said, videos on squad. Maybe I get some of my friends to play. Nah, just kidding. I have no friends that play squad. I don't think I have friends at all, to be honest. Oh my god. This dude with the ace. High caliber gun. High rate of fire. Not that high, but still. It has one shot potential against like medium armor. Okay, he's dead. And now he's also dead. You can... This has like one shot potential as well, but not as big as the ace. I don't know, bullets... Different guns, same bullet. Oh my god! Okay. That was the biggest whiff I have ever seen in my entire life. Okay, let's go. Don't shoot me. I ran out of ammo. Let me get the pistol up on him. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Time to push it.
Okay, I'm on C.
Okay, I have enough ammo in my... I don't like this. Stalemate, okay. Let's climb onto this table and be sneaky. Oh, okay, we lost. Nice. What can I say? Oh, and also, the community is quite toxic. I mean, I'm playing this game just... I haven't even gotten into the competitive part of it, because there's like... In CSGO, which I'm not sure I will do videos on, there's a competitive 5v5 with capturing the point, and it's try hard, kill death. Oh my god, 9-7. I'm level 206. Yeah, okay. I would actually like tell, but 99% of the cases people just pick random because they don't know what map to play. For example, this map, I actually don't like it. It's close quarters and like you can shoot the sniper across the map. It's not, well, crossing is made for that. It's just you have a road down that you can shoot on. Oh my god, and it actually, okay. I'm talking. The gods heard me. They punished me, and I have no more water. Oh my god. Okay. And like the guys that developed this game put a little bit of fun into it. Okay, I didn't have time to show you, but we are going to get another loadout that I... What was that loadout? Oh, the ace. I'm going to show you the ace. First, let me find it. Here. I'm going to leave the 20 round on. Put one of these on. Recoil grip. A compensator. Let's put urban digital as well. The skins are part from like a DLC. And we're gonna get this. Let's see.
Go, get moving.
Like you can see the map. This is all close quarters, and then you can snipe from here all the way to here.
Okay, we're capturing C.
And from where I'm standing all the way to where the guys spawn. To where the opponents spawn. It's quite retarded, I agree. Yep, exactly.
They took it.
What?
Hey! Hey! Man down!
Okay, dude, what? Okay. Chill down. Ah, I tried to jump on them. Let me see where this dude at. He dead? I don't think he's dead. Oh, god damn it. Yep, exactly. He's just camping. Oh my god. Where is he? Okay, no, that was the... Of course, cause my... Oh, god damn it. If he's camping over there, we actually can't do anything. That's why I hate this map. And you are not even... of course. That's why the fuck not. He's dead.
Hold on! Reloading!
I like the reload on this gun quite a bit. I forgot to put it on single fire. Okay, dude. Don't tell me it just ricocheted like 3 times. Okay, I shot like a total noob. Enemy at B. Oh my god! Okay, look! Just look! He was standing 2 meters away from me. And he didn't shoot me. Sorry. Now she's dead. Revenge. No situational awareness, no nothing. I can't see anything on A. This guy is always camping in there. Come here, you slippery bastard. Oh, no way! Yeah, I forgot this. Why does it keep spawning here? Do something. Okay, he was up there the whole time. He was up there the whole time. You see why I don't like this map? What? I don't even know where he got me from. Look at the name on this guy. Full of sweaty noobs. Just shoot through that. Bullets can penetrate. Not your 5.56 bullets, my friend. Those are shit bullets. Okay, I need to reload. How many bullets do I need to put in her before she dies? Just FYI. I shot her head off, but okay, Insurgency. Nice synchronization. Okay, this is actually fully retarded.
Cover me!
Why is this server so full? Look on the left, he's not there. Second I turn my head around, he's there. I love this game, I just love it. It's pure enjoyment. It's exactly like Escape from Tarkov. Everything works fine until you get to the extract and get extract camped and just shot in the head by a guy sitting 300 meters away. And getting shooter born in heaven as well. At the same time, which is a task. Just sprayed that thing. If he's not dead, I'm actually going to be pissed. Dude, go. There's nobody at B. What? She wasn't looking at me. Oh yeah, also this is a shit position. Like, for real.
Stop! 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 Stop!
Just love this game.
Stand back! Stand back!
I don't even like. What is? Why would you ever want to be here? The only safe position you're in is lying down. Oh, I'm going to show you some bullshit. And it also works on the other side. You just like walk across the wall. Oh, whoops. Almost got my... Yeah, I know. I knew he was behind the other. I actually didn't think he was going to jump down. They are trying so hard. This is like a casual match on CSGO. Why are they trying so hard? Why? Why are they trying so hard? Explain to me, why are you trying so hard? And how are we winning? Am I just that bad at the game? Probably. Yeah, nice. Nice flash. But I don't think... Wait, how? Ah, look at him down there. Well, this was interesting, to say the least. Yeah, I didn't play well in this game, but... Okay, the other team has level 6. We have a level 400. Oh my god. Yeah, and that's why I actually need to start playing competitive in this game, because it's a ranked matchmaking. So yeah. Okay. Hopefully you reached this point in the video. If you did and you liked me screaming at a screen in pitch black, you can click the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you next time.